Hello everyone and welcome in today's video. In today's video, we'll be cooking plantains porridge, aka Seese ripe plantain. So we'll be needing our green plantains, which I'm peeling it already. The next thing, after peeling the plantains, I'm just preparing my ingredients. You can see garlic, onion, ginger, and bitterleaf. Bitterleaf is already washed and chop it into smaller chunks. I'm now cutting my ginger into smaller pieces in order to chop it. Okay. Now I want to put all the ginger, the garlic, the onion in my blender and blend and chop it. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always watching my video. And to you that have not subscribed, if you are watching up to this moment, it means you like it. Please subscribe to my videos so that I'll be able to make more. Thank you guys. So I'll continue to chop my spices. As you see, I'm putting it in the blender or in the chopper. Now I'm just chopping it. Guys, what did you guys cook today? So I already placed the pot on the fire. Okay. Now I'm just adding my pink salt, followed by my seasoning, and next will be my chopped spices, the garlic, ginger, and onion. Okay, I'm now I want to rinse the cup. Next I go in with my a little bit of red oil, my dried fish. Okay, I'm still putting my dry fish, my turkey. I'm putting my turkey. You can use protein of any choice, okay? And now I'm just putting it. Please subscribe, like, guys, so that I'll bring more content. I'm now blending my crayfish. As you can see, the pot is bubbling. Leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. Open it when it's about to done and you add your crayfish. That's what I'm doing. I blended crayfish. I'm now stirring it, trying to mix it. It's almost ready, so I go in with my washed bitter leaf. Okay, very yummy. The house is smelling so good. If you know my house, come and join me. Please subscribe, guys. The new subscribers, I want to say thank you. Please comment, put it in the comment section how you usually cook yours. It's ready and I'm now serving it. Thank you for always watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video.